Hello and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the Area Views app, this Area Views Screensaver app on Android TV. So I'm going to click on apps and I'm going to head over to Google just to show you how to get the app in the first place. So just search for Area Views and go for the one that has play.google.com. That's the link you want, and click on that link. You should find the application already. You could install it if you don't have it, or if you have it, just click on open and you're going to get into the app. Now this is going to have a lot of options for you to get screensavers. The first option you see here is media sources. Opening it up, you can see you could stream Apple videos using your internet connection. Mind you, streaming this is going to take 2 GB approximately per hour, so be mindful of that. But you could get remote streaming with videos from Apple, Amazon, Jetson Creative, or Robin 4K. All these are available to you. At the same time, you can have custom videos and feeds. This could be from your local device, local storage, or a USB device. So whatever works for you, choose it. And the last option is playing videos and photos from your local network. So you could share on a PC or an NAS device, and you could use the network. So all those options are available. What you choose is what you get. And you could come down now to settings and adjust the overlays. So you could choose what overlays are displayed in different corners of the screen. As far as the appearance, all the good stuff with gradients, fonts, animations, background colors, typography, everything is editable. This app is very dynamic. You could edit a lot of things and have your TV display looking exactly how you want it when it's on screensaver mode. So you could import and export settings to the document folder. There are also advanced options for performance and debugging, and if you have an issue, you could come to performance and debugging options for troubleshooting. So basically, those are the highlights. Leaving there, you could see test screensaver settings. So this is just going to be a demo to show you how it will look like in action. Clicking on that, you can see a beautiful screensaver will load, and give it some seconds. It takes internet connection, and just look at that. Just look at that. Stunning. This is how your screen is going to look when you have this app installed. So head over, follow the tutorial to the end, install the application, and you're going to enjoy beautiful screensavers. Now the last and most critical step is ensuring that this works for you. How do you do that? Open system screensaver options. So I've clicked on it and it's going to take me back out. I'm going home and I'm going to navigate to my settings. On your Android TV box or TV device or Android TV, you're going to do the same. Navigate over to your settings, and when you come over to settings, navigate down to device preferences. It may be different for your device, but just go over to where you find screensaver. Now this is going to be different for a lot of people, different for a lot of devices, but whatever device you have, navigate to screensaver, click on it, and choose aerial views. That is how you get those screensavers on your Android TV when you are no longer using it and it goes into screensaver mode. You get very beautiful views, and it just gives the parlor or room where you have the TV a good look, improving your life. And these are the type of tips we share on the DaveTech YouTube channel. So if you found that life-changing, you found that amazing, you found this video insightful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'm waiting to see you in the next video.